Okay, we're still on. This is still October 18th, 2018 on our color tour. This is kind of a drift away from the whatchamacallit. We're tanking up here at Shell, and just wanted to figure out what kind of fuel economy we got. All right. I always use 87 octane, and I always come out with alright, we got 8.6 gallons exactly. Oh, just hold on, we gotta get a receipt here. Always get a receipt. And one of the nice things about Shell, besides the point that we save a nickel a gallon because we're participating in the rewards program. All right, we're in Charlevoix, Michigan. It was $2.99 minus 5 cents, so it was $2.94 a gallon. We got 8.6 gallons, $25. See this? Top tier. That's good stuff for these little cars. I guess for these direct injection cars. Hyundai calls for it. Anyway, so 8.6. Whoop, hold on a minute here. Well, this is an interesting. I did this purposely so we could calculate this out. All right. Hold on here a minute here. So we could calculate this out. Ouch. Hold on a minute.
Imagine yourself in your car. Would you be
oh, no wonder this thing is like steering wheels upside down. All right. So, because there was somebody on the Ioniq site that was asking about fuel economy. All right. Now, this particular tank of gas that we just went through, that's the tank of gas that you ran to Augusta, right? And this is highway driving. If you look on the map, Muskegon, we're right on the Lake Michigan shoreline, Muskegon, North Muskegon. I-96 across to 131 south, and then 131 south down to Kalamazoo, and then across to Augusta, Michigan, diddling around down there, and then she came back again. Our kids called her Corilla Devilla for a reason. I only say that. They also call that particular section of highway the raceway or the super slab of the area, because I mean it's really not. And she made a comment to me like, yeah, that little trooper, how did you put it? You gotta watch.
You gotta watch. He will just go and you don't even realize. You don't even realize how fast you're going. Yeah, like whoa.
What she's saying is she did a lot of over the run following. It was sticking with the flow of traffic. It's usually 80, 85, kind of stuff.
Yep.
Along there. All right. So there was that, and she used probably, I don't know, a couple hundred miles of the tank, or 250 or something like that. I think when she got home, it was like somewhere down below 3/4 of the tank. And then a whole bunch of city driving. And then now on this color tour. All right, we just tanked up, and let me see if I can rotate this thing around to trip. I set the trip meter, if I can find it here. Just a minute now. I'll find it. This is still a brand new car though, so this takes some figuring out to do. All right, here we go. 497 miles. 497 miles for 8.6 gallons. All right, that's 497 miles. What did I say? Yeah, it was 8.6 gallons. Okay. Now, this tour that we're on right now, basically from our house up here, we're in Charlevoix, Michigan. It's basically all uphill to get here. Believe it or not, it really truly is. You're going up in elevation pretty much the whole time. There's some downhills and stuff, and we run 65, 70 on the back roads, with the flow of traffic, and the temperature the temperatures that we've been running in right now have been in the 40s and the 50s. All right, so figure that in. I know for a fact that Trooper gets a little bit better gas mileage in the heat. He actually, I don't know why, but he does get a little better gas mileage in the heat. So it's getting to be winter. It is not winter time here yet, but it's getting to be winter time here. So, you know, it's getting colder air. All right. Let me see. What else can I tell you about? That was 497 miles of really, really, really good mix. City driving, urban driving, highway driving, and not slow highway driving. we don't drive him like he's a electric car, you know, or for driving. I mean, we run him along at the speed limit and above a little bit sometimes. No, we run with the flow of traffic. We run with the flow of traffic.
That's right.
And our highway speeds are generally speaking somewhere around 80. Okay, that's the truth of the matter. All right. So there you have it. All right. So somebody's got to do some math here and figure out 8.6. 497 divided by 8.6. Well, 500 miles at 50 miles, 10 would be 50 miles to the gallon. So I know it's got 50 miles to the gallon.
Yeah.
All right. But that'll be interesting to see. Should we wait and see what she comes up with?
Oh, no.
All right. So there you have it. Anyway, hey, get out and ride. All right.
Right.
We're in the dark here.